Mandla, Mandla, Amandla, 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 Phansi ngoCyril Phansi, Phansi ngoCyril Phansi, FIFA Jacob Zuma, FIFA, FIFA Jacob Zuma, FIFA, Phansi ngoTT Phansi, Phansi ngoTT Phansi, Phansi ngoPaul Mashatile Phansi, Tata Jacob Zuma Tata, Chigitela uMkhonto Chigitela, Chigitela uMkhonto Chigitela. Thank you very much. My name is Bonginkosi Gift Education Madoda Khanyile. I am commanding the youth. I am new, fresh from the box. We are here to declare it today that Paul Mashatile has tried to stop this program, but the program continues. Jacob Zuma is here. We have all ground forces here. We have all youth leaders here. And we are ready to deliver Jacob Zuma. President Zuma, he is going to be a president of this country again. They are asking us, who is a leader of MK? We are telling them today that the leader of MK, it is Jacob Zuma, and he is going to lead this country. The war has just begun. We are declaring war today. We are saying young people must be able to have businesses. We are sick and tired of JSE that looks like the executive of America. We want to be in JSE. We want to run companies. We want to run mines as young black people. We are saying under this government, if you are between the age of 36 and 65, you do not have job opportunities. You do not have opportunities. Under Zuma's government, you shall have opportunities regardless of your age. The war has just begun. We are telling you now that Jacob Zuma in 2017 declared free education when the spy in the form of Cyril took power. He took away free education. We are delivering Jacob Zuma back to bring us free education. I am giving you a clarion call. If you are a young person and you can't register because of fees, when we are waiting for Zuma's government, you must render all universities ungovernable. I am not telling you something I've not done. We render these universities in the fees must fall. We can still do it again. Amandla, Amandla, Wesolomon, Hiyo, Wesolomon, 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 Hiyo, Wesolomon, Wesolomon, Hey, Sosha. Finally, Julius Malema thought these elections will be about Cyril and him. These elections, he knows, even after cuddling with his wife, that these elections are about Cyril Ramaphosa and Jacob Zuma, and it is only MK that has capacity to defeat defeat Cyril Ramaphosa. Kwa MK asibabizi bayazizena. We don't give people food. We don't give them t-shirts. We don't pass them. They pass themselves because this is the coming revolution. Amandla. Amandla. FIFA Jacob Zuma, FIFA. Thank you very much.